Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve question number 7 of SSB lecturer mathematics exam 2023. In question 7 there are 4 options given. We have to pick only false option here. So let's come to option A. Option A says Z is a subring of Q. So when we say any subset of a ring R is a subring of R, we would satisfy these two conditions, that is A minus B belongs to S and A into B belongs to S for any A comma B belongs to X. Okay, so is it true Z is a subring of Q? This is true because if we take any two integer A and B belongs to Z, then here we can say subtraction of any two integer is again an integer. So A minus B also belongs to A Z, and multiplication of any two integer is again an integer. So A into B, this is also belongs to Z. So by this result we can say Z is a subring of Q. So option A is true. Now come to option B. Option B say characteristic of ring M to Z equal to 0. So before that let me explain what is characteristic of a ring. So characteristic of any ring R is the least positive integer n, okay, such that na equal to 0 for all A belongs to R. Okay, so this condition must be satisfied for any ring element. So if I take an element from M to Z, that is if I take 1 1 1 1, okay, so this matrix belongs to M to Z. So what integer if I multiply here, we get 0. Is there exist any positive integer? No, because uh, uh, this is equal to 0 if all n into 1 equal to 0. Okay, that is n equal to 0. So that doesn't exist any positive integer. So if there doesn't exist any positive integer, then we can say characteristic of that ring are equal to 0. Okay, therefore characteristic of M to Z equal to 0. So option B is also true. Now come to option C. Option C says Z is the ideal of Q. So when we say any subset I of a ring R is ideal of R, if it satisfies these two conditions, that is A minus B belongs to I, or any A comma B belongs to I, and RA, both RA and AR must be in I for any R belongs to R and A belongs to I. So is it true? Z is ideal of Q. So if I take any element from Q and any element from Z, if I multiply these two elements, if it is also belongs to Z, then you can say Z is ideal of Q. So take any element from Q, that is if I take 1 by 2 belongs to Q, and take any another element of Z, that is I take 3 belongs to Z. Okay, so if I multiply 1 by 2 by 3, then I get here 3 by 2. So here you can see 3 by 2 doesn't belongs to Z. So by this example, we can say Z is not an ideal of Q. So option C is false. So now come to option D. Option D say Z root minus 5 is an integral domain. Okay. So remember one thing, Z and Z minus D, where D equal to any natural number. D belongs to any natural number, that is 1 2 3 and so on, and these form an integral domain. Okay, so option D is true here. Okay, so option C, only option C is false, so option C is true.